Okay. Oh, shoot, my mic's on the wrong setting. There we go. That'll be a little softer. Okay. Today, we're going to fix lasers. And the way we have to fix it sucks. It sucks. Yeah, where's my boy, the emitter? That's funny. Yo, Night Owl, you're back. Welcome back. Happy holidays. Happy New Year. Good to see ya. How are things? Yeah, I did have a good holiday season. May have gained 5 pounds, but you know, that makes it good, right? This is the emitter. Okay. I'm swells. Swedish hockey juniors are playing for world championship tonight. Okay. Swedish hockey juniors. So the team is called the juniors? Or it's a junior team. Under 20 team. Sweet. Shoot, I'm out of water. Might need to hop upstairs and grab some water real quick. Oh, clear points. Add point vector 2.0. Sorry to say USA team lost in quarters, but Canada lost in semis, so you can be happy about that. Yeah, I feel bad. I don't follow hockey at all. I don't know. I'm sure that US and Canada have a rivalry. Although I imagine the US versus Russia rivalry is bigger. So I don't really know. And you're saying this is juniors? Is that as big as the? That's not, right? Like there's a bigger league, right? Anyway, I don't really know. I also don't even really know how to play. Like the best I've got is I know how I know that the puck goes in the goal. Okay, their kids playing at the top level. That's cool. I mean, that's super cool. I've never seen that being like a big thing in other sports, so that's really cool if that's what it is. Oh, I need another one of these. Lots of future NHL players from around the world. Yep. Is NHL US and Canada? Is that why there's like such a tie to them? Yeah, both US and Canada. There's also the AHL and the CHL. Got it. Okay. Sports are so weird. Sweden, we have SHL. Okay. Two local. No, two local. No. Target. Position. That's super cool. Yeah, I need to learn how hockey works at some point. My 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 home state just got a new team, and so everyone here is hyped on hockey right now. Also, one of my best friends was a hockey player all growing up. His dad's from Toronto area, I think. And so anyway, I feel kind of bad that I don't know how the game works. I'm sure it's not too hard to learn, but I just don't watch it. I'm usually not one for sports at all, but hockey is the Swedish blood. Yeah. If you get a good deal on tickets, you should go. It's a good time. You know, don't fully get the rules. Yeah. Yeah, unfortunately, because the team is so hyped, the tickets are insanely priced from what I hear. But our basketball team is so bad, you can get tickets for like $6. So maybe I should do that. Okay. So, oh, what the heck? Line 44. Did I get rid of the receiver? Oh. That's right, because this is a tool script now. Okay. Yeah, I can understand that. In Sweden, we have a rule that the fans are majority owners of the team, so tickets are mostly reasonably priced. That's cool. That's cool. That sounds like the Savannah Bananas. How do I do this? If it's in the group that else receiving equals false. Lasers. Oh no, we don't have to talk about lasers. Keep talking about hockey. If is inside tree. Does that stop it? It doesn't stop it. Receiver. I mean, I can't set like a fake receiver. All right, I think I'm gonna go grab some water. I'll be right back. All right, back. I got some water. Okay, so you probably have no idea what's even going on. Basically, I've made lasers in the game, and there's mirrors, but the problem is this thing loops, right? The game loops. Everything has to go across the border and reappear on this side. But the problem with lasers is I can't do the normal trick, right? Because the normal trick, I hope this doesn't crash. Okay. The normal trick is that I just have 9 of them, right? And when he crosses the border, I just loop him to the other side. I just say, "Oh, you're over on that side now." So boom, they're moving. You can't tell because it happens in like a millisecond, probably less than a millisecond. And their animations are synced up. But with a laser, it can exist. Like it can be the whole width of the screen. And so if I loop it, then well, it can be both the width and the height of the screen, as you can see here. Like boom, I can bounce it down and up. It can be 2 widths of the screen. It can be 2 heights of the screen, which is what would happen here, right? Because it would bounce up, bounce off this, bounce up, and then it would show up here again. That would be 2 looped lasers. And so, yeah, that doesn't work. So I need to change it. And the way I'm going to change it is I'm going to have it, when it hits the portal, just stop. And then duplicate on the other side. And keep going. That's all it is. So, the portal, this thing, is in the portal group. That's good. Let's make it also a laser blocker, I think. Because then, now, I think if I close this, and I open it again, no, it didn't work. Interesting. Oh, it's not colliding with the laser. There we go. So now it'll stop on the border, on the portal. And then it'll continue onward. Or, well, I'll have to duplicate it onto the other side. So basically, it's not going to work like all the other loopables. Which sucks. I had this like whole nice loopable system. But that's okay. So yeah, now I've removed the loopables, and in fact, you know what? I'm just going to delete them. No, I'm not going to delete them. I'm scared of deleting code sometimes. I probably shouldn't be, but I am. Okay. So now, wrapped position. Yes. I think I still need this wrapped position, but I think it's get collision point. What's the unwrapped position? It's the global position. So this is plus wrapped diff. I think that's correct still. And then this one down here is plus unwrapped position, I think. Just based on my commented out code. So now what I need to do is actually start duplicating the laser. So right here, just quickly did like a brain scan of how I would do lasers for your game, and man, it got complicated quick. Yeah, I know, it's crazy, huh? It's crazy. Yeah, I think the solution makes sense too. I did genuinely have it working quite well before. But What the? This looks weird. So the laser, so there's a ray happening here. There's a ray happening here. Or no. There's no ray happening here. There's only one ray here. Oh yeah, that's right, because it's not a loopable ray. And then this is a laser though. Why would the laser go up here? Is it because it's on... Oh, it is on the border. That's interesting. Can I move the sprite down a pixel? Or should I move this down? Let's move the sprite down a pixel. Nah. We'll just leave it. It's fine. This is one of those times where I feel perfect truly is the enemy of done. Yeah. Potentially. Okay. Okay, but this is tricky though, because this one, the target position is here. Right? So it's off screen. Yeah, so I need to fix this somehow. The laser start is off screen. That's the real problem here. So I think maybe I should move my sprite. We're going to move the sprite down a pixel. We're going to move the body, well, the collider. We'll just go down. It looks like a pixel and a half. Or 0.5 pixels, yeah. And then laser start. It's going to be, yeah, there we go. So this will make it so that this is actually correct. Now, let's move the ray down a pixel. Where's the ray? Transform. Why can't I move it? Laser start. Oh. There we go. I guess because the global position gets set to the laser start position. That's what's happening here. Okay, so yeah, now it looks like this. Let's change the ray color. Can I? I probably can. Let's make it black. There we go. So now we can differentiate between the ray and the laser. Kind of. So the ray is blackish. Let's make it. Can I make it blue? It's hard to see. Yeah, when you zoom out, it's still hard to see. But maybe that's just because it's on this line. Maybe it's not so bad in here. Yeah. So there's the, oh, but then it doesn't mesh well with the background. Can I make it white? Is there any way to make it white? No, it's just red by default. What does this do? Does nothing. All right, black it is. Self-modulate. Can I self-modulate? No. Let's see. Color applied to this canvas item. property does affect child canvas items, unlike self-modulate, which only affects the node itself. So good call. I should have done self-modulate. How is it red? I think rays by default are red. I think that's what's happening here. Just like in the editor. I think I could, oh, actually I could probably change that color like this. Color. I swear there's a place that you can change the colors. Is it in project settings? That'd be weird, right? Oh, rendering. Shapes. Help. Ray. Cast. Nope, that's not what I want. Editor. Ray cast. Nope. Well, I think black is just gonna have to be good enough for me right now, because I kind of want to keep going. All right. So now, if, oh, and then it needs to collide with the ray too. The ray is 7. Okay. So if the collider is in group portal, then we duplicate. Wrap laser. We need to get the normal. We already have the, do we have the normal? We don't have the normal. Should I move this out? Isn't Ray kind of like Raycast proxy? That may be the reason it doesn't have much customizability. No. I don't think that's true. I think that my Ray is a Raycast, and so I think it's just that I need to find the setting. I mean, I could Google it, I guess. Godot, can I change Raycast color? Debug section. Oh, it's under here. No. Is it in here, but in a debug section? Yeah. That is what I'm doing. So the Ray, yeah, okay. Okay. So we're on the same page. My bad. Okay. I'm trying to figure out, because I probably want laser blocker. I guess I could do laser blocker first. And then receiver second. And then I just need to, and then I do the normal here. Nah, I'll just get the normal in here as well. Yeah, the constant problem of getting on the same level. And then what was I going to do? Oh yeah, I was going to make the portal not be a laser blocker. For now, we'll have it break just to act like a laser blocker. So now when I open this again, it still works. Okay. But we need to get the normal. And how did I do it down here? I snap it. So dot snapped vector 2.1, because the problem is like sometimes the normal has some odd float values. So I have to snap it to 1. It's essentially like rounding it. Maybe I can just round. No, because round always goes up, floor always goes down, but sometimes I don't want to go down. Okay. And then I just match the normal to vector 2.up. We'll just pass for now. Down, left, right. Hey, what's up, T251? Welcome back. And then this determines the position. So I do var new position is a vector 2. So actually, we're just going to do this. Up, new position. Okay, and it's equals collision point. Collision point is a world position, I believe. So new position equals, no, let's do 2 local. Collision point isn't 2 local yet, right? Okay. Laser dot 2 local collision point. New position. If it's up, so the normal is up, meaning that the laser is going down. So then the new position is dot y minus equals 360. Down is new position dot y plus equals 360. Down, up, left, right. New position dot x. So if it's left, then I need to plus equal 640. Right. New position dot x minus equals 640. And I'm starting to hate these numbers, so we're going to go make constants. Const width 640. Height 360. Oh yeah, it's percent s 360. Replace with constants dot height height. Go. And then do the same thing for width. That, and then I also have 1280. I need to replace with width times 2. Or should I make a little constant in here? Let's do that. Const var ray length. equals constants dot width times 2. We'll do that. Right. Can't have a const var. How foolish I am. And then 1280 gets replaced with ray. Oh, I've spelled it wrong. So that's fun. And then let's rename this. Length. Like that. Okay. Okay, so now that's the new position. We're going to duplicate the laser. Laser dot duplicate. Var laser equals this. No, I have to retain this laser. And it has to be in a list. So we're going to do var lasers equals this. And it's going to be a list of laser. Do I not have a laser yet? I guess it's a line 2D then. Cannot assign a value of type array. Yeah. Is this how you declare arrays? Or is it this? Is it this? Syntax, syntax, syntax. Okay, so now back down here. Lasers dot push back, I guess. We're gonna duplicate the laser, although maybe I should let's actually do it this way. What? Paste. Oh. Equals that. And then we'll push back the laser. Laser dot global position. Or is it? Okay. Clear. Huh? Line 2D. Clear points. There we go. Laser dot add point will be new position. And then add the laser. I think that's fine. I think that'll work. And so then we probably need to, oh, let's do this. Let's do this. Lasers with laser in it. So it has one laser in it already. And then var laser index. Or no. Yeah, equals 0. We'll do that. And then var laser equals lasers at laser index. Actually, let's put that in the loop. And then right here, laser, laser. This is where I do, this one will be new laser. New laser, and then laser index plus equals 1. Okay, so then that's the new laser that's going to follow the ray. And then up here, oh wait, I've got to make this global. Because, oh. It's not completely global. Lasers equals that. And then lasers dot, can I clear it? Yeah, okay. So we clear the list every time through the loop. Okay. Because we don't want to retain those lasers. Although, do they need to be freed? What do you think, Night Owl? Do they need to be freed? Or is clear going to free them? No, it just removes them. So lasers, so I have to free them all. Can I do lasers dot for each? Is that a thing? Nope. Clear won't free. So for L in lasers L dot free. Is this an expensive operation? Pre-existing references to the object become invalid, and any attempt to access them will result in a runtime error. Checking with the reference isn't valid will return false. This is equivalent to memdelete function in GD script, GD extension C++. Q free. So the problem here then is that it'll happen at the end of the frame. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. I think happening at the end of the frame is okay. Okay. I lost my comment. So now I think we're good. Is that it? Is that it? Duplicate, put it at the new position. And then the laser wraps to the new position. Let's find out. Let's find out if it's good. I mean, I think that's my answer right there. Didn't work. For some reason, this mirror, this first mirror. Oh. Huh? Did mirrors not get assigned? No, it has the mirror group. Detach them from the tree if you want to make sure they disappear immediately. Where is it? Oh, up here. L dot detach. Remove from tree. I mean, I can also just do like this, right? Is that what you're talking about? And then it's just invisible. Oh, no, that's a bad idea though. I do need to slice it. Begin at 1. Slice 1. There we go. Now we're good. That was a bug that would... Oh, in fact, is that the bug? Do I need to reset this? Yeah, that was the bug. Okay. Remove child from self. Remove child L. It's overkill. I kind of like my visible hack here. Okay, so for some reason, the ray is not connecting to this mirror. What's that all about? Emitter ray connects with 7. Oh, it's 6. No, it's bit 6. Number 7. The mirror has the mirror collider, which is 7, and it's in group mirror. And this one is in laser blocker. So nothing changed. What's the problem? Let's... Oh, non-existent function slice. Although this error isn't happening anymore. Or is it just because I'm not on here? Slice incorrect? I thought that was the one. Array slice returns a new array containing this array's elements from index paradigm begin or param begin inclusive lasers. Do I have to just do this? Let's just do this, I guess. What? Non-existent function slice in base nil. Does it have to be on ready? I think it has to be on ready. I guess it's just a tool script problem. How can I get rid of errors in a tool script? Can I do this? If is inside tree lasers equals laser. What does that do? Still a problem. Oh, wait. $21. Yeah, because lasers is nil, I guess. If lasers dot is inside tree. Still not working. Ah. Okay. There we go. So I just needed to do it like that, I guess. Weird. Let's make it a little prettier. So now let's do some print statements so we can figure out what's going on. Am I not colliding with a mirror? Is that what's going on? I put the laser blocker up top. Is that... No, that's not a problem. It was already before. And it's not colliding. If ray is colliding... Oh, and you know what? That's not even... The print statements aren't going to do anything, I think. Print colliding. Ray dot get collider. It is colliding with something. I guess it's colliding with itself over there. So let's go to the laser test. Collider. Is that what this thing is called? No, it's called collision polygon 2D. The emitter is called collider. So for some reason, it's not colliding with this mirror. Why? Why? Why won't it connect? No, it totally connects with it, or else it would keep going. Is the normal messed up? Get collision normal. Where's this thing? Colliding. Okay, it doesn't say it's colliding with a mirror. Oh, wrong one. This one. Height. This is the problem. Invalid access to property or key height on base object of type node. Oh. Okay. Do I? Wow, it doesn't even look like a real word anymore. Height. Right? Why can't I rect to no. Oh, it's rect 2D, that's what it is. No, it's not. Okay, it started to look like a real word now. Okay, let's open this again. Colliding with the mirror. Okay, so the bug was that I had misspelled height. Oh, that's awesome. Okay. So now here's the next thing. Is the portal... Oh no. The ray just needs to collide with this and loop. So when it collides with anything, we need to wrap the position. Wrapped position is that. And then the global position becomes wrapped position. The target position bounces on the normal. Oh wait, what's unwrapped position? Oh, that's fine. That's fine. Okay, so what's going wrong? Oh, it did a thing. It did a thing. It's just, you know, an incorrect thing. So I wrap the position. So the ray should be here. So when it collides with this, it should go here. Oh, no, because it collides with the portal. That's the problem here. The portal is not handling any of this. Portal, I mean, I think I just go laser to global, new position. That's where I do ray.global position equals that. And then ray.target position remains the same. That's fine. Oh, and then, oh gosh. And then I need to do force raycast update. Right? Global position equals this guy. No, it's just collision point. That's so funny. Okay. collision point. I think we're good there. I think that it's just not showing correctly because it's a tool script. No, it is showing correctly. What's the normal? Let's print the normal. Print normal. And let's get rid of this real quick. The normal is 0, 1, which is down. So the normal is down. So the Y position Y plus equals height, right? Because it bounces here. And so Y plus equals height would bring it here. And then, oh, I guess I do need to add a point. Right? Or no, because I'm already doing that. Every time there's a collision, I add the point. If unwrapped position does not equal wrapped position. Either way, I'm adding a point. Am I just... Did I forget to add laser somewhere? Oh, how about this one? Laser. Is that going to change anything? No. Why would it go there? That's so weird. Laser add point. Laser to local collision point. All right, we're going to start printing. Yeah, we're going to print add wrapped point will be collision point plus wrapped diff. And then this will be add unwrapped point, and it's just collision point. What does that do? So it adds an unwrapped point 13. Add an unwrapped point of 13? Why is it colliding at 13? 13, 0. I mean, that does make sense why it's putting it here. Just realized I didn't put a stream timer on. I can go later today, so we'll do 50. Add unwrapped point 13. I'm so confused. Wrapped position. Is it just because... Yeah, let's see. Let's see what the wrapped position is. Ah, great. Couldn't handle that. It could not handle that. Oh, and in fact, I should probably make this not a tool script for a sec while I go in and delete that line of code. And then we can go back here and Usually it disconnects from the LSP. Okay. So we're back to this. Let's clear the logs again. Why does it say it's colliding at 13? What's this? This is the normal. Oh. $65. Match normal. Clear that. Close this. Open this. Okay. New plan. No, because I was already doing this. So let's do print portal, and we're doing this and this. And it'll be normal and collision point. Why does it say it's colliding with the portal at 13? So let's go to the mirror. What did I get wrong in the mirror? I mean, I guess now I just don't need to wrap things. Can I remove my wrapped stuff? I think I can. Oh. We're gonna go collision point. Well, let's comment just in case I need to go back on everything. Collision point. Oh, it's a little awkward. Ray.target position. And then collision point. I'm not even wrapping here, so that's good. Laser.duplicate. That's fine. Laser.toLocal. Laser.toLocal. Have to do some chores, but still lurking. Appreciate it. Yeah, I was actually thinking, I wonder if it would be fun, because there's so few people in this chat. I wonder if it'd be fun to just like open up a Discord call on stream sometime. Just chat for real. But maybe that is not what people would want to do. I don't know. Okay, add point. Oh, am I doing the... I don't need to do this stuff anymore. I don't even need this anymore. Okay, it bounced correctly. It bounced correctly. But now it's not putting itself down here, which is where it should be doing it. So when it hits a portal, it's supposed to put itself there. Target position stays the same. So why is that not working? That's weird to me. So the laser collides with the portal. Is my normal incorrect? Am I getting the normal incorrect? Down. Yeah, so it's definitely down. And why it's 0, 0 up here? Huh. And the collision point is 198.0. So then, oh, well, duh. That's the problem. Okay, we're gonna change this. It's gonna be we're gonna change the collision point. No, we're not. We're gonna do var diff, or let's call it wrap. Wrap is a vector 2. And this new position dot slash what? Okay, fine. New position will be wrap. No, yes, 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 yes. Okay. So now add point, and then I don't need this new position. I just need laser to local plus wrap. Oh, and so this equals vector 2.0, I guess. Okay, and then this is collision plus wrap. There we go. There we go. Okay, so it has put it down here correctly, I think. Wow, its collision position is way out there, though. Oh, and we're moving slow. My logs are too... Okay. Okay, if logs get too big, this gets really slow. That's funny. Okay, so now add point. It should be adding a point. Here, let's print that. We're gonna, because I'm confident in this normal now, so we're gonna do new laser, and we need laser dot to local collision point plus wrap. Oh, right. Okay, how does that do? Open this up. New laser, 185, 360. So it adds that point, then it adds the new laser, then it increases the index, and then when it comes back around, it gets the new laser. But why is the ray not colliding? Why? Why is the ray not colliding with this mirror now? Oh, 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 we're losing it. Okay. It bounces here. And it's still pointed up, right? Yeah, it's up here. Holy cow, the logs go crazy so fast. Let's just comment out that. So the ray is pointed up. I mean, I don't change the target position, so it makes the ray extra long, but I think that that's not a problem. It should still be here and then colliding here. Regarding the voice chat thing, I think that would be fun, but IDK if during dev is the right time and place. Ah, fair enough, fair enough. Yeah, maybe on like maybe I can set up a lobby for like playing a multiplayer game together or something one of the Fridays. That could be fun. So yeah, what is the problem? Why is it not colliding with the mirror? The second mirror. Mirror 2. This is hilarious. I keep getting messages from work. Everyone's working from home today. Everyone got sick over the break. We could also try a one-off news show. Yeah. Yeah, I guess the problem with just inviting the chatters to Discord. Oh, you're subscribed to a lot of game dev news, so you can compile a list of interesting articles for a future date. Yeah, that'd be great. That'd be awesome. Yeah, I was gonna say the hard part about just like opening a chat with people in chat is chat can be unhinged, and if they say something on stream, I'm responsible for that. So maybe I mean, I could probably do it now. My chat's not unhinged. I need to be able to control who's in the voice call. Yeah. I'm so confused. Why is this mirror not colliding with the ray? So it bounces here, does this, teleports here. Print, mirror, and then we'll do the position as well. Collider, and oh, collision point. Yeah, so it's only colliding with, oh crap. Although it did start colliding when I moved that off screen. Oh, because I moved it over here. Did you see that work? That's so nice. Look at that. But after it loops, it no longer works. Why is that? Is it colliding with the portal? Oh crap, I'm gonna run out of chat or whatever. Print, portal. And let's do the position. Collision point. Yeah, it's colliding with the portal right here. So, crap. It crashed again. Okay, so it's the same problem as before, as this. So I guess I just need to do this. But also up here. So right here. Oh, okay, so I do that, and then let's get back. How's it going with the lasers? It's going pretty good, I would say. Pretty good. Let me pull it back up. Godot crashed because I was logging too much. Okay. Why is the laser over here now? Why? Hang on. I gotta reconnect to the LSP. So if previous is not null, then yeah. So I removed the collision from the portal momentarily. And then set that. And then set that. Is it minus wrap? Can't be minus wrap, right? Do that. Collision point. Well, okay. I hate that the logs are like completely crashing this because I need them. Okay, come on. All right, so we've got some logs. Now let's comment out the logs. All right. So what happens is it collides with the mirror at 198, 100. And then it collides with the portal at 198, 0. And then it collides at this mirror, 198, 360, or 306. And then it collides with the portal at 198, 0 again. Up here. Oh, wait. Hang on. I missed something. Okay. Or should I start at the top? Can I start at the top? Here we go. 198, 0, 100. 198, 100, 198, 0. And then this one. And then this one. 292, 300. And then it collides with the portal here. 292, 0. And then it collides with the mirror again. Oh yeah, so it stops. It stops here. Hey, what's up, Sir Lunchalot? Yeah, so basically, if I move this here, the laser totally works. I'm shooting it off to the right, but then when I move it here, it doesn't work. It's close. It's close to working. Oh, there's my 5-minute warning. Darn it. All right. Dang, how am I not getting this? Let's move this mirror. Oh no, that doesn't do anything. That doesn't do anything. I had already tested that. Oh, I just realized I think I missed a chat. You said over here. Oh no, we're good. We're good. I didn't miss any chats. Sometimes my streamer bot gets all out of sync, and it sucks. This is so lame. It was totally working. Make sure to discuss the Taki stream in the near future. All right. Yeah. Sounds good. I'll just stop here. I'll pick this up. I'll pick this up tomorrow. I think I'm so close. I've got to be so stinking close. Because it's bouncing here and it's bouncing here. But and then it hits this portal right here. Which should loop it, and then it should hit this. Oh, so maybe okay, one last test. One last test. It should be hitting this print end. And so then I undo this, and we should get a little bit of story. Let's clear it actually. And then stop. Okay. So hits this mirror, hits the portal, hits this mirror, hits this mirror, hits the portal, and then it ends. Which is correct. So why isn't it making another laser here? That's weird. Okay. I'll figure that out tomorrow. I have I'll maybe make a note to do it's working, but for some reason it's not drawing lasers. Yeah, it's just not drawing any of the duplicated lasers. So I must need to do more than duplicate. Oh, I need to add the child. Oh my gosh. Wait. Oh my gosh. There it is. It's working. Oh, that's hilarious. I wasn't adding it to the scene. Okay. And so now I do this. Here, let's play the game. Oh, the box is over here for some reason. I don't know what's going on with my box. That's weird. What happened to the box? The heck? Okay, weird. Let's go. I had like a test set up. I wanted to bounce it a few times. Mirror up, mirror to the right. How do I want to do this? Like if I move this emitter around now. Oh, look at that. Just shooting lasers around. This is so cool. Okay, let's grab this mirror, put it over here. Oh, we found a problem. It's not looping on the right for some reason. Or maybe that's not actually a bug. 5. Let's do this. Let's reset this. Oh, yeah, there is a bug. Weird. I wonder what the bug is. Oh, the box is up there for some reason. That's what the bug is. Let's just remove this box. What the heck? Why won't it loop there? Okay. Picking it up tomorrow. This is awesome. I'm having so much fun. Okay. See ya.